everybody, this is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston, and today we would like to walk you through the Scout 195 Sportfish. As you can notice, this one is done with the black hull side option. It also has Scout's T-top, beautifully designed, matches the lines of the boat. This has the large cooler seat forward. This particular boat was ordered with the bow cushion. We have it stowed away currently. There is dry storage underneath the deck there as well. And you still have your anchor locker forward on this boat. Now, a new design for 2018 for this boat was to make the head area much larger on this boat. For a lot of storage, or it can put a porta potty. This one has the electronic Yamaha gauges, stainless steel toggle switches. It was ordered with the optional Fusion stereo system. This particular boat is powered with a Yamaha 115, which pushes this boat very well. You still have your integrated fiberglass swim platform with ladder, stainless cup holders throughout the boat. Plenty of room to put your optional electronics, GPS, depth sounder, that sort of thing. Battery switch in a great location, very easy to get to. Have a lockable glove box on the boat as well. Again, this is the 2018 Scout 195 Sportfish. Thank you for watching today. We can be reached at 843-747-1889 or at MarineMax.com.